Hey guys, I'm here now at the salon and kakagaling ko lang actually sa vacation sa Calaguas. Oh my god, it's like a paradise there. You should see the video. So anyway, of course alam naman natin when you go to the beach, especially now summertime, number one na naapektuhan ay ang ating napakagandang buhok. So syempre madadry talaga yun ng bonggang-bongga. And ako nga, as I experienced, I was in the beach for 3 days. So talagang yung color ng hair ko, number one, nag-fade. Number two, na super dry ang aking hair. Hindi naman naman, oh. Kasi hindi mo na siya masuklay. Ganyan na siya kasuklay. Ganyan na siya ka-ano, ayan. Ganyan na siya ka-dry. Okay, so ano nga ba yung pwede natin gawin this summer para maiwasan natin yun? Or ma-revive ang ating hair? And of course, meron kami ngayong introducing. Meron kaming isang bagong treatment. It's called the Ultrasonic Iron Hair Treatment. It's made in Italy pa. And we use the products Seaward, ano to? Helen Seaward, yan nga, from Italy. And the best part of this is that we don't use a hot iron. Why so? Kasi diba, usually, pag nagpapa-treatment tayo ng hair, ginagamitan talaga yun ng hot iron para lalong ma-absorb ng hair natin yung gamot. But, this one, the ultrasonic iron hair treatment, uses cold ionic iron instead of hot iron. Interesting, no? Paano nga ba ito nag-work? So, itong ultrasonic hair iron na to, hindi siya umiinit. Instead na uminit siya, meron siyang ionic light. So, yun yung nagtumutulong para ma-absorb ng hair natin ang gamot. Later, we will show you how it works. Okay, so just stand by and I'm happy na and excited for my renewed hair. Hey guys! So, nalagay na yung gamot sa hair ko. Ngayon naman, after niya mababad for a few minutes, ilang minutes yan? 15 minutes. So, it's time na para gamitin natin siya ng ultrasonic iron hair treatment. And of course, paano nga ba ito gumagana? As you can see, ouch! Joke lang, hindi siya umiinit. So, how does this work? Itong infrared light na to, siya yung mag-help para ma-absorb ng hair natin ang gamot. Tingnan niyo to I'll show you a magic. So, for instance, ito yung gamot, the liquid. When we do this, sa paha, yan. So, as you can see, para siyang umusok-usok, diba? Ini-help ng infrared light na ma-absorb ng hair natin yung gamot through that process. So, hindi na siya kailangan ng hot iron. Okay? Excited naman kayo? Ako din excited na. Let's do this, Sir Jim. Start mo na. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're done now with my hair and I'm very happy because susuklay ko na siya. Tangle free na ulit and of course very shiny na ulit yung hair ko. And again, ultrasonic iron hair treatment. What's good about this product is that it works from within your hair. So talagang pumapasok siya sa hair natin para inaayos niya yung sa loob ng buhok, hindi lang sa outer layer niya. But this is not a straightening treatment, okay? It's just a treatment to restructure the hair, to bring back the glow, to bring back the life of the hair, okay? So if you're curious about this product, PM us lang and ask. We will be more than happy to answer your inquiries, okay? And I hope you guys have a great summer. Of course, don't forget to take care of your hair.